Welcome to another new video, guys. Have your fun. Stay safe.
Slow it down. That was really fast. That was really fast. You were driving really fast. You had to slam your brakes on, that's all. Yeah.
What the fuck? Oh, it stinks.
Slush puppies are the things that turn me off now. The lurid colours, the indistinct flavours.
The fact that after you've been drinking it for a very short time, it tastes of nothing because all the flavour gets sucked up really quickly.
The origin story of slush puppies and why they're called that is rather dull. It's basically this guy called Will Radcliffe from Cincinnati, who was an entrepreneur, spotted an ice slushy machine and thought, oh, let's market that and came up with the name for his kids one day.
Stay in your seat.
Oh, really?
What do you mean it's natural? You can see it.
Come on.
You've gone from like the most altruistic to the least.
Well, there's some women just naturally don't show for longer. She might be really pregnant.
I'm all fit.
That's what I do. Yeah, that's what you
Bit of road rage.
Break in the race awards Saturday night at Daytona. It goes to the highest running eligible driver at the time of the first caution of the race. When it's time to replace your brakes, get Proven Tough Duralast, the official brakes of NASCAR, sold only at AutoZone. Up next, Dale Earnhardt Jr. and this week's NASCAR Live Backtracks.
What are you doing?
This is NASCAR Live on the Motor Racing Network, the voice of NASCAR.
What is it?
This is NASCAR Live.
Never right, is it?
Now, back to your host, Mike Bagley.
Thank you for joining us on this week's edition of NASCAR Live. Over the weekend in Daytona, we followed Dale Earnhardt Jr. and his number 88.
He'll move eventually.
Come on.
Pain in the arse, he is.
Come on, out your way. There you go.
He is. Yeah, he's always doing it.
That's naughty, that is. Wow.
Oh, fuck off.
Right, it's on camera.
What the fuck are you doing?
How's she gonna do that? What an idiot. What a fucking moron. Basically.
You know the lady? Yeah. She drinking too much whiskey.
Oh, she's drunk?
Yeah. She tried first accident, she tried kill me.